Man, I went on ahead and decided to make part 2 of this video. I got my boots on and stuff, so I uncovered the car. Let me show you. This thing needs some work. It ain't mine, but it needs some work. I ain't got nothing to do with the body. The body pretty straight. Look like they was finna paint it or whatever. Body work straight on this joint, man. I like the body work on this thing. But, like I say, this ain't mine. He needs some work. Like, he wants the air conditioner to work. As you can see, the box got holes in it. I'm gonna fix all that, take that off, fix all that. I'm gonna get him right. He came to the right person if he wants this thing to be up in here and done right. So yeah. But hey, he said he willing to pay for all the extras outside of the LS swap. So hey, I'm gonna get him done. But this what we working with, y'all. He don't have the locks to that. It's a pretty solid car. Floor's not rusty, don't look like, nah. Floors is not rusty. It was original. I don't know if that's the original column, but if that's the original column, then it was a floor shifter. So, and that looked like that was a floor shifter right there installed. But he got the typical two-body console. Put the floor shifter from a Impala, from a 2000 model, 2000 what, 6 and up Impalas to like 16, yeah, 15, 16 Impalas. Ooh, shit, excuse me. What's up, y'all? Back with another video. Go out here to the back, show y'all. I got the patches patched up. Got that. It's ugly, but I'm gonna fix it. I ain't sure with this thing. It's ugly. Y'all criticize me. But it's gonna hold air. Yeah, it's gonna hold air. I know that much. Got that one right there. It's ugly. Yeah, I got fiberglass resin everywhere, but I'm gonna shape it up, clean it up. Hey, it's gonna be ready when it comes time for it to put it back together. To made it back to that thing right there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. But yeah, that's the AC box. Did a little fiberglass work, but it ain't supposed to be professional. I'm not a professional. He ain't come for professional work. If that's the case, we'll just order my new AC box if we could. But without me telling y'all, you just looking, you won't be able to see it neither. You won't be able to see that. You won't be able to see that. You'll be able to notice this when I'm done, because it's going to be in black. But no, you ain't gonna notice that, because I'm going to paint this whole thing black. I'm going to sand the whole thing down and paint it black. That's what I'm going to do. So you won't even better really tell if you ain't paying no attention. And I know that only supposed to go up that high. I just need to find a little lip right there where the condenser thing comes out right there. I think that might be the suction pump. It comes out right there, but it has that little lip right there, that little curve. So that's all. That's no shit. That's gonna be cut off. Like I said, I'm sanding that down. Again, like they ain't even that big attention. It's gonna be all black. Getting that together. Ooh, it's hot out here, yeah. Around the garage. Y'all see the money right there? Look, you can see that dent too, biggest day in the video. But yeah, that's what I'm out here doing that. Like I said, I done took the, oh shit. I done took the AC bracket off. Took that off. Now I'm about to take this, alternator off and this bracket off. Then take them headers off so I can get ready to. Because once that AC box is done, I put it in there. I'm gonna get ready to put the motor in there. So, yeah, that's my little update real quick. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell a friend, tell a family member, you know. I'd like to get up to 500, I'd like to get up to 1,000 subscribers if I can, for real. You know, I'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers. But like I say, this was my little update video. Here's my little fiberglass work. It'll be dry tomorrow. It'll be dry probably later with this fan on it. It's hot in the unit. So, but Like I say, I'm just doing that, getting that together, so I can get ready to put that in there and get ready to slap this mug together. See my little 24, my cheap ass rims, but they stay down south. My cheap ass rims, some 24s. But yeah, this your boy Mark. Don't forget, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and keep it pushing, man. What's up, what's up? It's your boy Mark back, Mr. Fix It. Back with another one. I got the, I got the box good together. I got the box together as good as it's gonna get. I just went and bought some sealant, so when I put it back together, I can seal it up. Put some sealer back in here. Oh, let me cut my flashlight on so y'all can see. But put some sealer all back in here where it was at. Around here when I put that lid on. Where else some sealer? Well, put it around here when I get ready to put the box back on. But put it all around there. Just wherever the sealant supposed to go. It's supposed to go down up in here. And the cracks and shit. So I'm gonna put sealant all in there. Now back up in there. Other than that, it's pretty much ready to go. Let me show y'all. Hold on. I ain't no professional, but you know, I got it together pretty good. I gotta put this bottom piece on a little bit better, but it'll be on there better than that. We'll get it all bolted back up and sealed up, and then I'm gonna paint it, get it sanded down and paint it. And shit, I'll be done with this. Get ready to put the box back on so I can put the box back on so I can get ready to put the motor in. Oh yeah, by the way, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. But all I wanted to do was just patch them holes up that was up in here and stuff. It's a hole that was down here, like right here, I got to drill out. But for the most part, it's ready. I just got, like I say, put it back together. Put that in there right. I'm going to have to put a little, you know, I'm going to fix it. But for the most part, it's ready. It's going to hold air. Just put it that way. It ain't going to be leaking air everywhere. But yeah, that's the box. Like I said, I put the little condenser in there to make sure it was fitting. I gotta put a little spray foam down in there to seal that up. Like I say, put some sealer all up in there to seal that up. It's gonna, when I get ready to put the lid on, put sealer all around there to seal all that up. Put it around the, well, I'm gonna put it around the back right here to seal all that up when I put the box in there. Put the heater core in there. But yeah, like I say, for the most part, it's ready, man. I just gotta put the screws in there. I'm about to put the sealer stuff in there and put it back together, man, and shit, let it dry. And hey, that's it. Like I say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. And hey, keep it pushing. What up, what up? Man, it's hot out here, but back, show y'all the finished results of this thing. I got it all together, sealed up, painted. I wonder if y'all can see that because it's too much sunlight behind me or in front of me, I don't know. But y'all can see that it's all patched up, no holes nowhere. That's the drain hole for the AC right there. There's supposed to be another hole over here, I think, right here or something. It's supposed to drill it out. I'm gonna look on the inside, but yeah, I got it sealed up all the way around, got it painted. Yeah, looks good from the outside, inside. You know, all that don't matter because as long as it's sealed up. I got new silicone, you see, all back up in there, everything all up in here, new silicone all up in there. Yeah, Like I said, all that was sealed. So yeah, I got it sealed on the bottom, all that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. But this thing gonna hold some air and some heat. It ain't gonna be blowing it out, cooling the outside or heating the outside. So I gotta paint the top. I gotta clean it up and paint it still. So, but yeah, clean it up, paint it, and shit, I'll be done. About to put this back onto the firewall. Extra phone, but yeah, that's the video. Like I said, got it sealed right here and everything. So got that sealed off with the expanded foam. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Like I say, one AC box done. Shit. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and keep it pushing. Man, that's the thing, mocked up on there. I just gotta go get some screws to mount it up on there, get the right screws to bolt it up there, and it'll be ready, pimp. Gotta clean that, gotta paint that top part though, but yeah. Alright, we got this box ready to put in. Let y'all see, I got it cleaned up pretty good. About to put this, oh shit. About to put this RTV silicone sealant. I'm gonna put it on the wall and on the back of this, and that's gonna help guarantee a good seal. So when the air get in, and air ain't getting out, hopefully. But yeah, well, it's gonna come out, but hopefully it ain't too much leaking out. You're gonna get some air out, but hopefully not too much. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. But yeah, and then I still gotta mosquitoes out here. I still gotta paint this thing. So, but that's last. I ain't worried about that. But we about to mount this box up in here real quick, and I'll cut y'all back on once I get the box mounted. Alright. Alright, we got the box in there. Missing that one bolt right there. I gotta get a long screwdriver. I mean, not a long screwdriver, but a long drill bit. But I don't think it's gonna hurt it because we got it silicone all around and on the back. So, but yeah, wipe that some, shave all that off. But yeah, we got it sealed up in there. It's in there. Like I said, got the bolt right there. But yeah, we got it sealed all the way around. Put that top piece on and we in there. But yeah, it's ready. Got that box back in there, and hey, now get ready to take the motor mounts out and put the new ones in, and we get ready to install this joint, y'all. We get ready to put the motor in and get ready to gotta clean up some wiring on it. But other than that, like I say, we pretty much ready. We pretty much ready, y'all. I say, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. But yeah, this is this your boy Mark. Hey, we got the heater box patched up. Like I say, you can't even, unless you just really looking at it, you ain't gonna be looking at the heater box. But ain't no holes in it. It's sealed up pretty good. So in and out. We gotta get that little foam piece that goes in there, and that's about it. Oh, and the other little foam piece that goes on top of the heater core right there that goes in that little gash. Get a little piece of foam right there. And that helps block the air, keep the air in there. So yeah, but I just thought I'd bring y'all that little update to show you I got it put in there. I got to bolt the fender well back down. Other than that, it's in there. This your boy Mark, man. Hey, like always, keep it pushing.